Sima prauchiel gachiel mar Madaraka mibiro bagi e kaunti ma Bungoma odiechieng' makiny. Koloso Nyayo House, Mwaura nowacho ni arita kwe oseket makare mar neno ni welo duto mabiro yuore nyasi no, jo ohala kod jodak ma kaunti no yudo rita maber, ka bende chenro mag tiyo koda piny osechan maber ma ok bi kelo ng'ikruok moro amora ne weg ohala. Bende owacho ni bago nyasi mar Madaraka e kaunti ma Bungoma biro ting'o malo uchumi mar kaunti no kendo biro nyiso kido kod timbe mag gwenge mag Imbo ma Kenya manyalo konyo e lombo joket mwandu.
We are fully prepared for the 61st Madaraka Day celebrations. Comprehensive strategies have been put in place to ensure the safety and security of all attendees, residents and visitors. An emergency prevention and management plan, along with a detailed traffic management plan, have been developed to ensure minimum disruption in business. As we celebrate Madaraka Day, we honor our forefathers' dreams and commit to our future of continued prosperity. President William Samoei Ruto will be highlighting the key milestones with regards to agriculture and food security as a key pillar of the Better Plan agenda as enshrined in the Medium-Term Plan 4 of the Kenya Vision 2030. The deliberate hosting of the 61st Madaraka Day celebrations in Bungoma will enhance the region's national profile and infrastructure, showcasing its rich culture and economic potential.